Hello, it's Andy here from Living in Weymouth YouTube channel. Today we are here on the Isle of Portland at the Tout Quarry to have a look at some amazing stone sculptures. Enjoy the views, let's take a look around. Tout Quarry is one of only two remaining quarries where Portland stone was excavated using old methods. The remaining landscape is now free to explore and is important for geology, industrial archaeology, nature conservation and sculpture. There are over 60 sculptures to find throughout the area and also information boards about the history, rocks and wildlife. The Roy dog is a Portland myth about a dog beast with large fiery eyes, one green and one red. It was said to live at Cave Hole on the southeast side of the island and would drag any traveller passing by into its watery lair. There are some fantastic views to see from the cliffs within the quarry of Portland Marina and Chesil Beach. Around Tout Quarry, there are many features to see from past quarry days. These include evidence of old tramways, hidden shelters made by quarrymen, tunnels and bridges. Weekly and weekend stone carving and sculpture courses are run in the open air workshop by Portland Sculpture and Quarry Trust and can be booked via learningstone.org website. The courses provide an introductory experience of carving Portland stone and includes full tuition and use of hand carving tools plus freshly quarried stone. Right, well that's it for our tour of Tout Quarry here in Portland. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do hit that subscribe button. Take care.